Hi, my name is Prem, and today we are going for creating project in IAM. So, in this lecture, we are going to, in this chapter, we are going to do resource structure and inheritance, creating project hands-on, and IAM role and permission. I am a member and policies. I am a hands-on, enabling API, stack driver workshop, cloud operation, and quiz. So let's start it with the resource structure and inheritance. So in the resource structure and inheritance, we are going to cover organization and different kind of folder and different kind of projects and services and inheritance. So resource. Uh, so before going to start, I want to focus here. This is very important chapter. So associate cloud engineer, we have we should know about getting up the cloud solution environment, and in this chapter the setting up cloud project and account activities includes, and managing billing configuration, then planning and configuration cloud solution, deploying and implementation cloud solution. And these have many chapters. You can click, I will provide this link into the video. Ensuring the successful operation and cloud solution, and fifth chapter is configuring access of security. So this one you can go, I will include. And resource hierarchy. So as you see, the Google Cloud Platform designed to consideration a single organization per GCP account. If you are a individual, a custom domain name, email, you can also GCP without organization. Let's discuss about this each layer. So this is company. When you create GCP account, it's each company. Then this company have department X, department Y, and shared infrastructure, and department Y have team A and team B, and team B have project 1 and 2, and project 1 each dev project and test project and production products, and each project have like compute engine, app engine, and cloud bucket. So this is the lowest level, and this can be for individual each product. So each Google account have only organization node, and organization is automatically created when you sign using custom domain of email. This is uses Google Workshop earlier G Suite, for example, in this below Docker tutorial organizations. So once you do getting started, here click enterprise onboarding checklist, set up the cloud account, add user account, cloud identify account, set up admin account, set up billing. It's the same like we did, and the select of so it set up the dev projects. The reason to sign using organization email ID is that you can manage which user from organization give you access to cloud console, which one is not. There is different way to create organization node. Organization node automatically get created if you are using Google Workspace G Suite to handle your organization user email account. If you are not using G Suite, Cloud Identify Sync Server help you to other activity directory. This one also help you. You can read this one. This will also I add in the link. The folder, the second organization layer is the GCP is the folder. Folder are just logical grouping or separation of project. Folder us to map organization hierarchy to GCP. Folder use cases is also explained in the above image. If your team want to handle all the project related to one single product, they can do using folder. Likewise, folder work as a department and team. So as I saw this image, so this is the folder. So company, then department, uh, the team is divided into folder. I mean these are all folder. So organization and this dividing individual is based on the folder, and projects is the last space. Each folder has a projects. Okay, services are the smallest unit of hierarchy. Virtual machine, storage, and database, all these services are bundled under the simplest project. You can have multiple instances of these service in the single project. This is also called the end level resources, for example, VM instance, storage buckets. Inheritance. GCP permission and role are critical. If user has given storage admin role in the organization level, then it can create, update, and delete storage service in project. Similarly, if user has granted to compute admin role the folder level, they can create, update, or delete compute machine virtually. Hence, the advice to follow the least permission principles of GCP, which say to provide only minimum set of permission to user to carry out their task. So, permission of given a specific layer are inherited all the way to bottom the hierarchy. Hence, the resource permission are union operation. So, let's so this is an organization. This is project. Storage admin, he can, and cloud storage upload, hence, and the storage object creator, and uploads. Okay, upload here is also okay. Upload here is not okay because storage object get and delete is not allowed. It's only read allowed. So you can the go through this process and create accounts. Set up one is admin account, one is a normal read account, and see the differences, and you can control using IAM. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.